So welcome all of you to the online math class. You know that previous day we have discussed some MCQs. Today also we will discuss some MCQs. I will give you in the board. You just solve it in your copy and then type the option only on the chat box. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. So the first one, that is from I think coordinate geometry. Okay. Question for points two comma 3 and x comma 0, distance is 3. Then x equals to, that means you have to find the value of x. Then x equals to option A 2, option B that is 3, option C that is -2 and option D that is -3. You just do it in your copy and tell me the answer. Ishanur already has given the answer. He is saying 2. Respond all the other students. Just type the option A, B, C, D. A or B or C or D. Shubhajyoti is saying A. Rest of the students? A. Srijan Srivastava A. I got the response of 3 students. Where are the rest of the students? Do it and fast. Respond me first. I am waiting. Distance is 3. So distance formula root over x minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square equals to 3. That means x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 9 equals to 9. Whenever you remove the root over, it will be x square minus 4x plus 4 plus 9 equals to 9. That means 9 will be cancel out. That means again it is x minus 2 whole square actually. That means x equals to 2. That means 2 comma 2 actually. Because it's a quadratic equation, you know that after solving quadratic equation you will get the 2 values of x. So actually 2 comma 2, you may say 2 only. So the answer is A. All of you has given the correct answer. Okay, one more thing to say, just type P for taking your attendance. For taking your attendance, P, all of you, I am asking all of you, just type P on the chat box. Now I am moving on to the next one, next question. The next question. The figure formed by the points, the figure formed by the points are A, capital A within the bracket, small a comma small a, it is the coordinate of capital A, B minus a comma minus a, and C, that is minus root 3a minus root 3a comma minus root 3a will be The figure will be the option A, an isosceles triangle. Option B, an equilateral triangle. Option C, an scalene triangle. And the last option, none of this. Just do it and tell me the answer. Which one is true? Anindo, option B. Okay. Rest of the students? I got the response of Anindo. Rest of the student response me with your answer. I think A. Do it, Isana, do it. I am giving you the time, just do it and confirm me, not I think. Just do it. You have to do the math class with pen and paper. Okay. Just do it. I am waiting. I got the response of only 2 students. Where are the rest of the students? Respond me. I am waiting. Shubhajyoti A. Ishanur again C. Just find the distances AB, BC and AC. Okay. Just find the distances. Then you can only tell me. You can only tell that which one is the triangle, isosceles triangle or equilateral or scalene triangle. Just I am erasing the board and the question. Find AB, BC and AC. AB, BC and AC. Just find it. Just find it. Here AB means root over A minus A, that is 2A whole square plus 2A whole square. That means root over 2 into 2A whole square. 2 into 2A whole square. That means root 2 into 2A. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it the value of AB? Now the BC. BC means root over root 3 minus 1 into A whole square plus again root 3 plus 1 root 3 plus 1 I am erasing the options also here. Okay. Root 3 plus 1 into a whole square. So a square will be coming out from the root over sign. It will be a, then root over root 3 plus 1 whole square plus root 3 minus 1 whole square. That means root over a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square, 2a square plus b square. That means it will be a into root over 2 into 4. That means again it is 2 root 2a. Whenever root will be removed from here, 4 will give you 2 and 2 will becomes root 2. So 2 root 2a, 2 root 2a. These two are same. Now the last one, that is AC. AC also here after calculating AC also will give you 2 root 2a. So these three are same. So which one is the correct answer? Isanur? Equilateral. Yes, you have said C, but that is not C. Okay, that is option B. Option B is the correct answer. Equilateral triangle. So move on to the next question. Find the coordinates of the point which is equidistant from the vertices of a triangle ABC where coordinate of A 3, minus 1, coordinate of B that is 1, 6, sorry minus 1, 6, it is minus 1, minus 1, minus 6, and coordinate of C that is 4, minus 1. I am repeating the question. Find the coordinates of the point which is equidistant from the vertices of the triangle ABC where A 3, minus 1, B minus 1, minus 6, C 4, minus 1. Now the options are option A, that is 2, minus 8 by 3. Option B, that is minus 2, 8 by 3. Option C, that is 2 by 3, 8, and the option D, that is minus 2, 3, 2 by 3, 8. Try to do it. I am waiting. Okay, this one is left for you. Okay, just write the question, note down the question in your copy. This one is left for you. Try to do it at your home. I am now moving on to trigonometry. Can I erase it? This one is left for you. Try to do it at your home. I am moving on to trigonometry. Okay. Trigonometry. First one, if sin theta plus sin square theta equals to 1, then cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta is equal to the options are option A, that is -1, option B, that is 1, option C, that is 0, and option D, that is 1/2. Just try to do it. I am waiting. Try to do it. I am waiting for your answer. Yes, type it. My answer is coming 1. 1 means option B. Just type the option also, Isanur. Okay, option B is here 1. Sorry, it is written wrong here. Option A is -1, option B is 1, option C is 0, option D is 1/2. Answer of the last question 2, -8/3. Okay, I am checking. Wait. 2, -8/3. Just tell me the option. That is option A, I think. Subhajyoti. Yes, you are correct. Thank you for giving the correct answer. Now for this one, this question, the answer is 1. Asmita is telling B. Subhajyoti option B. Isanur option B. Yes, Isanur already sent a pic. Yes, I am checking. All are saying B. Yes, B is the correct answer. Here sin theta plus sin square theta, that means 1. So sin theta equals to 1 minus sin square theta. So sin theta equals to cos square theta. That means sin square theta equals to cos to the power 4 theta. Now put it here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus cos to the power 4 theta. That means cos square theta plus sin square theta. Instead of cos to the power 4 theta, we may put here sin square theta, that is 1, using this result. Okay, thank you, Isanur. Can I move on to the next one? Can I move on to the next question? Okay. Move on to the next one, that is if sin theta equals to 1/2 and theta is an acute angle, then 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta equals to the options are option A 0, option B, that is 1/2, option C 1/6, and option D, that is -1. Do it and tell me the answer. Do it and tell me the answer here sin theta is given as 1/2 and theta is the acute angle, that means lies in the first quadrant. That means all the values are here positive of sine and cos. Now tell me the value of 3 cos theta minus 4 cos cube theta. Asmita is saying option A, that is 0. Then Chetna is saying option A. Isanur is saying option A. Rest of the students response. Here the value of cos theta, sin theta equals to 1/2, value of cos theta, value of cos theta here. Yes, region option A. Yes, all of you are correct. Option A is the correct answer. Option A, 0. 0 is the correct answer here. All of you are correct. Okay, now moving on to the last one. Yes. Okay, so moving on to the last question. Cos square 5 degree plus cos square 10 degree plus cos square 15 degree plus dot dot dot. The last two terms, cos square 85 degree plus cos square 90 degree. That is equals to options are option A 10, option B that is 19/2, option C that is 9/2 and option D that is 17/2. Okay. Just do it this one. Do it first. Cos square 5 degree plus cos square 10 degree plus cos square 15 degree in this way is going plus cos square 85 degree plus cos square 90 degree equals to option A. Repeat the options. Yes, I am telling you the options. Option A 10, option B 19/2, option C 9/2, option D 17/2. Do it. First of all, find how many terms are here. He is saying 10. Just do it carefully. Asmita is saying D 17/2. Do it and confirm me. how many terms are here actually? Cos square 15 degree plus cos square 5 degree plus cos square 10 degree plus cos square 15 degree plus cos square 25 degree plus, sorry, here is a cos square 20 degree, then cos square 25 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus cos square 35 degree and plus cos square 40 degree plus cos square 45 degree. Now, before cos square 45 degree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, there will be 8 pairs. There will be another 8 terms will be present here, that is sin square 5 degree plus sin square 10 degree, in this way. Okay. So, 8 pairs give you 8 and plus cos square 45 degree, that means 8 plus 1 by root 2 whole square. This 8 plus 1 by 2, that is 17 by 2. Yes, 17 by 2 is the correct answer. So, option D is the correct answer. Srijan, option D, just do it. Very important one, this problem. Option D is the correct answer. Is it all right? Okay. So, for today time is over. We will be back again here with a new class, and I will also discuss some problems. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.